Hi everyone, welcome back to the Puttering Penman. Today we're going to be talking about Pilot/Namiki green ink cartridges. So here in the US, you can only get Pilot Green as an ink cartridge. It comes in this 6-pack of ink cartridges. And so, because this is a proprietary system, it only fits into Pilot cartridge converter pens. Which is most of their pens. In the US, they only sell the Pilot Custom 823 and the Pilot Custom Heritage 92, which are vacuum filler and piston filler pens respectively. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure every other fountain pen they sell in the US is a cartridge converter pen. So this is my Pilot Custom 743. I have this Pilot green ink cartridge inside of it. I have separate videos about how to fill a cartridge converter fountain pen that you can check out. But basically, you just take the cartridge and push it in to the grip section of the pen, and then you wait a little while for the feed to fill up with ink. So this is it's a nice ink in terms of flow. Let me just show you. It's not my favorite shade of green. I think it has just a hint of a neon hue to it. It's also not waterproof. I'm not even going to test it because it's just going to turn into like a green swab. But it is, if you were looking for a green ink that goes into a cartridge converter pen, it's pretty acceptable. I'll try to give you a closer look of the color here. There are a lot of other green inks I prefer more, such as inks from Diamine and Diatramentis. This is a shade of green that I just don't find very appealing, but other people might. Let me just give you a little bit more so you can see. The flow of the ink is good, the cartridges last a while, but I really just don't think that there's anything special about this green ink in particular. And, you know, that's just an opinion. It's up to you. Just to quickly compare it to some other green inks that I have swabbed, here's Pilot Green. So when I was talking about it's pretty much a green that doesn't really, it like tries to be all other greens. I really find like Caran d'Ache Vibrant Green, Gerbon Lyre Sauvage to be more in that true green color and a lot more appealing for me. Diamine Apple Glory is a very bright green, and if I wanted a bright green, that would be the one that I go with. And then Pilot Green, again, just sort of has like a neon hue to it, and it's also like a little bit of a blue to it. I don't love this color. It just sort of seems like it doesn't know what shade of green it wants to be. But, you know, for people who like something closer to teal, Pilot Green might be a good color for you. So with that was just a quick look at Pilot Green because there aren't many videos of it on the internet. And I hope this video is helpful. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions below, and I will see you next time. Bye.